First things first, I changed the fuel pump. Sure enough, the throttle body went bad, power steering pressure line went bad. Oh my god. Do you guys remember watching that clip before? If you've never seen that clip or that video by means, go check it out right here above. That's a very good video of why Saabs are so amazing, and I'm here to tell you why I just spent $3,000 in repairs on my Saab.
You know, Lloyd, just when I think you couldn't possibly be any dumber.
So here I am today. 3 years ago, I rebuilt this Saab, and since then, for the most part, I haven't had too much go wrong, knock on wood. Let me rephrase that. If you watch that clip, I've had a decent amount of things go wrong, but here's what's nice about Saabs. There's such a great platform and community of people to help you service your car, so when something goes wrong, you can just figure it out on how to fix it yourself. So the parts are reasonably cheap to buy, and to fix it is, well, if you got some common sense, it's really not that hard to fix. You know, you reverse engineer something and you fix it. But this year, like last month, my Saab, after its first long drive, about 5 hours, decided to start leaking oil. And the oil that was leaking first was looking like it was coming from the oil pressure switch, which, you know, very easy to fix. We replaced the oil pressure switch. It's not an expensive part. And sure enough, within a couple weeks, I saw oil leaking again. Wow, so what are we gonna do? So anyways, long story short, I saw the oil coming down from the flywheel, which tells me that oil was leaking in between the transmission and the engine. Unfortunately, I don't have the time right now or the means to go ahead and fix that myself, which is the rear main seal. Okay, so I had to replace the rear main seal, and what you have to do that is pull the transmission. I took the car back, and the mechanic that I had it at wasn't around, and I was having issues with the air conditioning fan before then, and you know, I couldn't figure out why the air conditioning high-speed fan wasn't working. I thought it was a resistor, I thought it was the fuses. Anyways, it's another Saab story. Long story short, I got the car back after spending $2,500 on replacing all of these oil leaks, or fixing all these oil leaks, and sure enough, one day in the driveway, my car started to cook the air conditioning compressor. So the air conditioning compressor and the clutch on the compressor fried itself. I mean, I'm literally talking like grinding and smoking, and it was bad. It's really bad. So that was another $600. So now we're at $3,100 in repairs, and I'm telling you why it was worth it. Because this is a Saab. There's not too many of them on the road. And when you drive a Saab, it's just so amazing. I mean, this car has never let me down. Knock on wood, I've never had the car break down on me. I mean, I've done an extensive amount of repairs and upkeep and maintenance, and preventative maintenance. I mean, one of the biggest things about knowing your Saab and becoming part of your Saab, which is really what happens, is you start to do more preventative maintenance on them because you want to make sure that you're ahead of the game. But then you have oil leaks like this that hit, and you're just like, God damn, you know, you thought you were ahead, and here you are, you're back $3,000. Hey, you up there. Do you hear that wonderful Saab engine purring right there? That thing's 16 years old, runs beautiful, sounds beautiful, runs beautiful, it must be beautiful. Anyways, if you like what you see, hit that like button, hit that share button, and hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys next video. I appreciate your feedback, comments below. Later.